The 2024 Vauxhall Corsa combines innovative design with advanced technology for a truly modern driving experience. Enjoy the front camera system for enhanced safety and navigation, plus the tire deflation detection system that alerts you to potential issues, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Step inside to enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity, plus electronic climate control for personalized comfort in every journey. Call or visit Hendy Vauxhall Tonbridge today to schedule your test drive of the 2024 Vauxhall Corsa. Speak to our team about paint protection, tire and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.